Yes, you're back yet again. It's your best channel, Times TV, all day, every day. Welcome back aboard. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe and hit the notification button so that you get notified wherever we post. Yes, right about now, it's none other than the news about Johnny Depp and his ex-wife, Amber Heard. Yes, remember the case has spent 6 years in court and finally the lion was put down and Amber, guess what? Amber is down. We bring to you the reactions of social media about the case, and again how celebrities, top US celebrities, how top celebrities in the world are reacting. On the list is Donald Trump Jr., Valerie Bettinelli, Ryan Adams, Ashley Benson, Sharon Osbourne, and other people who reacted. Let's now get straight to what social media is saying. First is going to be Donald Trump Jr. This is what he had to say in a tweet that he made immediately after the case was closed. Believe all women except Amber Heard. $50 million in compensatory and punitive damages to Depp, and perhaps a case that could end the effective rabid feminists' notion that all men are guilty before being proven innocent, that we've been all seen as of late. She's just that terrible. That's what Donald Trump Jr. said. As we go on to Valerie, very hard to tweet, and that Elon and his bots will be very busy today with justice for Johnny Depp after the verdict was read. So, and this tweet, by the way, it attracted a lot of criticism, but it seems Valerie doesn't care anyway. Musician Ryan Adams commented on Depp's statement on Instagram with emojis of red heart, praise hands, and fire. Okay, this is what else other people are saying, other reactions. It's Gareth says, it took Amber Heard 1 day to ruin a man's life. It took Johnny Depp 6 years, millions of dollars, witnesses and audio recordings to get that back. Yes, she is still making this all about herself. And then when you go to Eric, Emerald Granite says, people turned against Amber Heard not because Johnny Depp is a powerful man or a famous actor, but because we watched the trial and saw who was telling the truth and who wasn't. That is so far how people are reacting to the statement, to the verdict that was reached on yesterday when Amber was asked to pay $15 million to Johnny Depp. I don't know. Topaz says, I don't know who needs to hear this, but Amber hasn't done a single thing to help any woman besides herself. Johnny says his win is for both male and female victims. Keyword is victims. We're going on. Easy says, hard losing is not a loss for women. It's a victory for abuse victims, regardless of gender. That is it. And, Andy says, Amber seems like the type of a girl that would call Johnny Depp after the lawsuit is over and see if he wants to get back together. Yes, that's how far we are going, and it will make matters and things very interesting. Some other Saxena says Depp has won his defamation case against Amber Heard. This is not just a victory for Johnny, but a victory for a male victim. For male victims of domestic abuse and false allegations, Captain Jack Sparrow has gifted male victims a voice. Yes, and then Aki says domestic abuse is real. Yes, you should listen to victims, but if you just expect the world to believe you from a year he did it with crocodile tears and a dirty carpet, it won't cut it. A claim is not proof. Johnny proved his abuse the right way with hard facts. Briefly, let me go through the Johnny Depp statement, the statement he put up after he won the case. Johnny Depp had this to say: 6 years ago, my life, the life of my children, the lives of those closest to me, and also the lives of the people who fear many years have supported and believed in me, were forever changed. All in a blink of an eye. False, very serious and criminal allegations were levied at me via the media, which triggered an endless barrage of hateful content, although no charges were ever brought against me. It had already traveled around the world twice within a non-second, and it had a seismic impact on my life and my career. And 6 years later, the jury gave my life back. I'm truly humbled. My decision to pursue this entire case, knowing very well the height of the legal hurdles that I would be facing and the inevitable worldwide spectacle into my life, was only made after considerable thought. From the very beginning, the goal of bringing this case was to reveal that the truth, regardless of the outcome. Speaking the truth was something that I owed to my children and all those who have remained steadfast in their support of me. I feel at peace knowing I have finally accomplished that. I am and have been overwhelmed by the outpouring of love and the colossal support and kindness from around the world. I hope that my request to have the truth be told will have helped others, men or women, who have found themselves in my situation, and that those supporting them never gave up. I also hope that the position will now return to innocent until proven guilty, both within the courts and in the media. I wish to acknowledge the noble work of the judge and the court staff and the sheriffs who have sacrificed their own time to get to this point, and to my delight and unwavering legal support, who did an extraordinary job in helping me to share the truth. The best is yet to come, and a new chapter has finally begun. Truth never perishes. Johnny Depp signs. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, if you're new here, kindly subscribe so that you don't miss on any story that trends around the world. Keep it Times TV. We love you.